Hey, hello Gateway, hello TonFam. I'm so happy to be here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vadim. I'm founder of two projects in the Ton ecosystem, Phantom, Fantasy Football, and Adsgram. And today I'd like to talk to you about traffic in Telegram mini apps. Sorry, can we turn on the presentation, please? Yeah, good. So to begin with, I have a question to you. Who of you have been on the Ton Gateway the last year? Can you please raise your hands? OK, I see some hands. Great, I've been there too. And the situation with the traffic in Telegram changed a lot. So there's a big hype around it right now, but a very few data. So I thought I'd like to help you guys and share some insights about who are the users in Telegram mini apps. So please do not hesitate to make photos of the slides. I prepared some statistics so that you can use it in your marketing strategies and growth plans. Well, in just 1 year, the whole new industry of traffic in Telegram mini apps appeared. With the applications like Notcoin, Hamster Combat, Bloom, Docs, hundreds of millions of users came to the ecosystem. And a new challenge appeared for game developers, how to monetize this traffic. And this is a challenging task. I know some projects which even left the ecosystem because they failed to do that. But luckily, before coming to Ton ecosystem, I was working in a leading ad tech company called Yandex. And I had a very clear picture of how an ideal solution for that problem can look like. A platform which connects ad buyers and ad sellers. And 1 year ago, I called my ex-colleagues and we came to Ton Foundation and pitched the idea about ad tech solution which can help the ecosystem and enable game developers to earn money on their games. Luckily, Ton Foundation supported us, thank you, with a grant, and that's how Adsgram was started. Few words, I'm telling you about Adsgram to explain why I'd like to talk about the whole TMA traffic situation. So basically, Adsgram is a very classical ad network consisting of 3 components. First is an ad SDK, which game developers integrate into their app and earn money by showing ads. And on the other side, there's a web portal where you can create ad campaigns, set targetings, upload ad creatives, and get traffic. And in the middle, there's an ad engine which connects these 2 parties with an auction-based model. So today, Adsgram is the biggest ad network for TMA, and we have around 40 million daily ad views and around 600 active games which are monetizing their traffic with us. We have around several thousand of active advertisers, and we have 40 people in our team. And we've built a self-service solution which enables game developers to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. And we even have our own grant program to support the ecosystem. And so we have quite a data set, and I'd like to share it with you. So let's go to the sweet part with the data. So first of all, let's start with the languages. This is the interesting part because previously with the Telegram ads, it was the only possible option how to make targetings. So you can see that around 1/2 of the audience is using English language as their main, as their settings in the Telegram app. Then on the second place goes Russian language, because still Telegram is very popular in in CIS countries. And after that goes the Persian languages and others. And here is the interesting part, because the geo-targeting was not possible before TMAs. Now we have IP addresses, so we can do some data. A little bit disclaimer here.
Some water, sir?
Thanks. Thank you for your support, guys. Lots of talking these days. So this is data without clearing for VPNs. We just bought a database, and like the next month, we will publish statistics about the clear data, but this is with VPNs. So #1 geo in Telegram mini apps ecosystem is Nigeria. Is there anyone from Nigeria? Yeah, I see one hand. OK. Second place is Bangladesh. Then goes Germany and USA. But I'm not really sure about these geos, so we need to clear that for VPNs. After that goes Russia, India, and Vietnam. What about the platform? Mainly, it's Android. So it's not a surprise that Mr. Durov used Android to test devices, because Telegram is popular in countries where Android penetration is very deep. So we can see that iOS share is slightly less than 9%, and there's around 6% for desktop. But the traffic from desktop Telegram mini apps is really very low quality, and for many games, there's just no version of desktop. And then the premium. So I'm not 100% sure about these statistics, because probably users with Telegram Premium, they do not watch ads as much as users without Premium. But still, we can see that around 5% of the audience have Telegram Premium subscription. And here comes the more interesting part. Let's go deeper into the statistics. Well, so if we have a look on the top countries, well, with Nigeria and India, there's nothing super interesting. Like, it's almost 100% English. And with Russia, it's like almost 100% Russian. But let's go to this slide, and this is my favorite slide. Because previously, if you were buying traffic from Telegram, you were able only to target language. So if you were buying an English-speaking user, with 20% probability, it will be a user from India, and with 20% probability, it will be a user from Nigeria. So like 40% from these two countries. Then goes Bangladesh, Philippines, and the long tail of other countries. If we talk about Russian, the first place is Russia, obviously. But then goes Ukraine with 15% and Uzbekistan. And with the Persian language, this is funny. So you can see the preferences over the VPN servers. So 1/3 of our Persian-speaking friends prefer America servers for VPNs, and 20% prefer German VPNs. But what about premium users who have more money, presumably, than non-premium? So 1/2 uses Russian language, and then 20% uses English language, and then goes Ukrainian. Well, then goes, surprisingly, Indonesian, but, well, why not? And in terms of country distribution, with like 1/3 probability, it will be a user from Russia. Then, slightly less than 10%, a user from Ukraine, and then Indonesia in Nigeria. Well, these are big countries with good Telegram penetration. The non-premium users, well, it's almost coincides with the statistics over the overall Telegram geo distribution. So not so interesting. And the last piece of data I'd like to show to you is the CPM rates. because it reflects how the market estimate the value of the users in different countries. Well, the most expensive audience is Russian, and strangely, it's Nigerian and USA. I have no idea why Nigerian audience is as expensive, but probably it's already a brand. Nigerian guys, Nigeria is a country with very good crypto penetration and a very active Telegram audience, so probably projects are interested in buying this audience and attracting users to their projects from these countries. So, guys, I'm really hoping that this data will help you. In case you want to talk about the traffic in Telegram, I'll be at our booth in the middle. And in case you have an app which you'd like to monetize, we'd be happy to earn you money, or if you need traffic, we can bring it to you. Thank you, guys. Good luck to you. Good luck to Ton. Have a great day.